In this video, I will show you how you can increase the app icon size on any Samsung tablet. Now, to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just search this. Now from here, just tap on App Size, and on this page, you will find a slider to increase the app icon size on your tablet. As you can see, the app icons are looking like this, but if you slide this slider all the way to the right side, you will increase the app icon size on your tablet, just like that. Now, if you want to increase the app icon size even more, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Find Lock and install this app. Once this app is downloaded, just tap on Open. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen. And on this page, just look for the option for Home Up. After that, just tap on it and select Visit Find Lock homepage. From here, just scroll down and tap on Home Up. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on the latest version of the Home Up extension. Now just scroll down and tap on Download APK. Now just tap on Open. Select Package Installer. Then tap on Install. After you download the Home Up extension, then just go to your home screen and open the Find Lock app on your tablet. Now just tap on Proceed and select Allow. Tap on OK. Now over here you will find the extension which we have downloaded. Just tap on Open and select Open anyway. Tap on Next. Then tap on Try it. Now just enable this toggle. After you enable this toggle, then tap on Home Screen and make sure that Home Screen has been enabled. Now over here you will find the option of App Icon Settings. Just tap on it and enable the toggle for App Icon Settings. As you can see, the app icon size is currently at 100%, but you can increase it even further to 105%. Now as you can see, if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, as you can see, the app icon size has been increased, but you can also increase it even more by hiding the app label. Now if you disable the app label on the home screen and on the app drawer, as you can see, we have increased the app icon size even more, just like that. And this is how you can increase the app icon size on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.